All right, guys, as we continue to move into our ASL, it's important that we take a look at ASL structure, how words, sentences are put together. It does not follow English, though I'm doing it at the moment. It's called simultaneous communication, and I'm using two languages at once, which makes one of them always suffer. So, when we get into formal ASL, we are looking at topic, comment, sentence structure. Frequently, English will do it the opposite. They will make a comment and then the topic. An example of this, a very simple example. Topic, comment. The dog is brown. In ASL, I need to have a dog before I can describe that he's brown. Same thing when we were talking about people. The man over there that is tall and overweight. His shirt is black, his pants are blue. I have to have the topic before I can tell you anything about the topic. This is going to be formal ASL structure. As we move on, topic, comment with my WH at the end. My questions go at the end of a statement, at the end of a comment. We saw this all the way back at the beginning. Your name, what? My question went at the end. In English, we would typically put at the beginning. What's your name? Opposite for ASL. Topic, comment. My WH, my question goes at the end. If we're going to take it a step further, time should go at the beginning if there is time in a sentence or if there is WH. Obviously, that's not always the case. For example, tomorrow, store, I go. My time was tomorrow. My topic was the store. My comment about it is I'm going to go there. Tomorrow, store, I go. Introduction to ASL structure. This is considered formal structure. You're not going to only see this. This is not the only thing out there. However, in a class you're supposed to learn formal. This is formal. Likewise, it's important that we remember that ASL is not actually a written language. It is all visual. However, there was a big debate many years ago. You watched it in the video saying ASL was not a real language. And one of the arguments for ASL not being a real language was the fact that there's no written form. While obviously that's been proven to be untrue, it is in fact a language with its own sentence structure, its own syntax, its own grammatical features. They have created what's called gloss, which is an attempt to write ASL. Now, we are writing English words when we write gloss. We're not drawing hand shapes. However, we're writing it in ASL sentence structure. Formal gloss is always done in all capital letters. Tomorrow, store, really? Yeah, I would throw the I in. The dash is used to represent two English words that are one sign. If I sign this, it means go to. However, in English, I have two words for that. As you get into formal gloss, we're not going to do much of it. I just want you to see that it's out there. Formal gloss also has a line across the top. and all features that are non-manual are going to go above the line. So if it was a question at the end, I would write above the line WHQ. Question. There's a lot and it's very complicated. However, I want you to have at least basic understanding of what it is. You may even see it in your workbook some. All capital, line above it. Non-manual features go above the line, as well as in very formal gloss. This is the topic. I would have a T over the topic. Parts of the sentence go above the line as well. A little odd. Other thing you need to know, in formal gloss, if there's something you need to spell, if it is finger spelled, it is done in all capital with dashes in between. For instance, if I was to say, my name, there's a dash in between each letter, which indicates that I'm finger spelling. This is information that's just good for you to know about gloss. Not deaf people write in English. Gloss is a way just to show ASL in a written form. If they're writing back and forth to each other, it is in English. Outside of linguistics, the study of language, gloss is not heavily used. You do see it in classrooms, but beyond that, it's not used in everyday deaf community life. Not. The sentence structure is, which is what the gloss is based off of. Topic comment or time topic comment WH. Question at the end.